Collecting household waste is an important task of local government, a task that is expensive and labour-intensive, and one that sometimes causes inconvenience to the public. That's why it's important to do this as well and efficiently as possible. The introduction of underground waste collecting systems has been a great step forward. It means fewer unsightly mini-containers or garbage bags on the street, more safety, less vandalism, less stench and less street litter. Unfortunately, these containers have limited capacity. This means that when a container is full or out of operation, garbage bags are placed around the disposal points. This is why EcoVision has launched a new underground waste collection concept. The EcoPers III is an underground press container that fits in with the present method of waste collection and can also be used immediately at existing disposal points. What makes the EcoPers III unique is its press system that compresses the waste after every disposal. This means that one EcoPers container can hold 5 times more waste than a comparable ordinary container. The advantages are obvious. Much less frequent emptying and therefore less driving with the container truck. And at locations where multiple standard underground containers are needed, a single EcoPers container is enough. All of this means a major saving on costs and a better use of public space. One advantage for the public is that there's much less chance of the container being full. And because of its large capacity, the EcoPers III can usually process an unexpected large deposit of household waste without any problem. Emptying the container is quick and easy. The EcoPers is simply unplugged and then lifted out of the pit. A set of spring-operated flaps immediately seal off the pit so that safety is fully guaranteed. No special equipment on the collection truck is needed for emptying. The bottom flap of the EcoPers III is constructed so that nothing can leak out. The specially developed closure system ensures that the container is hermetically sealed, keeping the pit clean. Because the EcoPers III container is so solidly built, it has a life expectancy of about 20 years, which is much longer than that of an ordinary underground waste container. For a local authority that already uses ordinary underground containers, switching to the EcoPers III system means no more than purchasing new containers. Because of their long life expectancy, this investment can be spread over many years. Existing collection trucks can be used for emptying without modifications. The concrete pits need only minor modifications. An electrical connection must be fitted. The EcoPers III rests on the rim of the safety floor that projects over the rim of the pit. By choosing the correct size of the rim construction, the EcoPers III can be used in almost any size of pit. The EcoPers containers are equipped with an advanced access control system. The double-walled deposit bin opens when the pass is inserted. After the waste has been deposited, the user closes the flap and the pass can then be retrieved from the system. The electronics in the EcoPers container are linked to a central server via GSM or GPRS. The container can send a signal via this link when it's almost full or in the event of a problem. The planning software ensures that the full containers are automatically scheduled for collection. In addition to a considerable saving on transport costs, This system makes a direct contribution to improving air quality. A further big advantage to the public is that a full EcoPers container is always emptied on time, so that residents can always dispose of their waste. The communication between the EcoPers containers and the planning software allows the controller to monitor the operation of the EcoPers containers remotely. Access passes can also be released or blocked from a distance. Fully automated registration of the number of disposals per access pass can enable the local authority to easily calculate the charge for each individual user. The EcoPers III is the ideal system for local authorities that already use underground containers. The containers last 3 times longer than ordinary containers. The EcoPers can hold 5 times more waste than an ordinary container, and existing pits and collection trucks can be used after relatively simple modifications. In short, EcoPers III is the ideal system for these local authorities.